about.
Yeah. Look again. Woo! Made it for the sunset.
We did too, man.
This is gonna be some good fish over here, which is like more wooded. We can go there, which is somewhere in the middle, or we can go here, which is a wide open boat ramp. We'll take the boat ramp and work our way back this way.
Yeah. So we go to
Look at these
Cataract.
boats, man. People just
Oh,
have
got
out
some
there.
fishermen too. Oh, snap.
Look at those first sailboats. Sailboats are awesome. Look how cool a sailboat looks. Look at that little rabel, little white rabel. Little sailboat.
How cool would it be to have a little sailboat like that? Look, it's got a little cabin in it. You see the windows?
Damn, that is pretty cool.
I mean, fuck that little red white one. I'm telling you, one.
Damn. Oh, that's the one. Hey, that's the
That's a big
one.
one, though. No, that's a big one.
Yeah, that
White
one.
there, that's a big one.
Damn.
those
You
are
can
the
smell the fish from here, bro. Hell yeah. This is the one, dude. This is the one. Yes. Yes. But that's the one, though, dude. Oh, dust bucket.
That's all you need.
You need the rusty dusty.
Look at that big
Oh
guy
shit,
right
Mike
there.
could have came around here and parked or
You
something.
gotta pay to get into this parking
Oh,
lot.
well.
You gotta pay to do like a boat drop. This is where.
Oh, okay.
It's like
Oh, that's why there's nothing but trucks over here.
Yeah.
Okay. That's still cool, though, bro.
Yeah, this is a boat fucking thing.
Oh, snap.
Yo,
Damn, this is amazing, bro. Catch anything, man? Nothing? Any bites at all? No. Hey, better luck next time, though.
Look at that here.
Wow. He's got a floating. He's got a floating. Look, man, they're all fishing on the good spots. Are they catfish, you think? Probably not.
I'm telling you guys, if we had the yaks out,
Yeah.
we get out to the perfect spots. Perfect coves, dude, deep into those little crevices are like calm, super calm coves. Like this is beautiful. It's almost like Cataract, really. But a little bit different, a little bigger, but different. Cataract's big too.
Not really. I hate catfish though. But at least most days I'm eating catfish. Well, there is some stripes. They bite sometimes. Mostly nighttime. Mainly I'm looking for carp. Yeah.
Hey, that's what we came for. I decided to go for carp.
We use it for bait.
I'm using some green worms. And also carp baits, you know. Kind of bites.
Well, we gotta try for the carp. Keeping them or just catching them?